Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have original function and first derivative of the function. In this situation, we need to use about integrating factor. That means we need to have mu s equals to e to the power of the integral. So if we look carefully about this one, we have y and we have negative tan s. This is about integrating factor in here, and we need to put about negative tan s over in here. And now we need to find this one. Tan s, that's about sine s over cosine s. The integral of negative sine s over cosine s, you will got about e to the power of ln of cosine s. And this one you got about cosine s. That means we need to multiply both sides of cosine s. So we know that secant of s, that's about 1 over cosine s. We simplify this one. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. So if we look carefully about this one, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So in this situation in here, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v. This one is about sine s, and sine s, that's about first derivative of cosine s. So if we do the integration, you will got about y equals to uv. So in this situation in here, this is about u, this is about v, and you got about y cosine s. The integral of s square, the integral of s, you got about s square over 2, and we put about c. Now we have initial conditions. That's about this one. That means s equals to number 0, y equals to number 1. So we put value 0 in here, and here number 1 in here, and we got about c equals to number 1, because this one you got about 0, this one you got about 1, and that's why you got about c equals to number 1. So we put number 1 in here, and later that we divide both sides of cosine s. Or we can write on this way too, because 1 over cosine s, you got about secant of s. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.